I welcome you all for this lecture series on 4G and 5G communication networks. In this lecture, number 15, we will briefly discuss about the introduction about network architecture. First, we'll see the definition of network architecture. The network architecture refers to the conceptual framework that outlines how communication and data transmission occurs within a network. It specifies the arrangements of the hardware, software, and protocols, the protocols used to ensure efficient communication between the devices. This structure governs how data is processed and transferred, ensuring connectivity and scalability. Different network types may have distinct architectures depending on their design requirements. Next, you'll see the main components are in this network architecture. The primary components of network architecture include hardware, software, and communication protocols. The hardware, such as routers, switches, and firewalls, enable physical connections and data flow control. The next software, what it will do is it includes network management tools and security systems that oversee operations and protect data. Next, the protocols like TCP/IP, HTTP, and FTP standardize data exchange across the network, ensuring compatibility between different devices. Next, the types of network architecture. The network architecture generally classified into three types. The three types are client server, peer-to-peer, and hybrid. In client server model, resources are managed by a centralized server and accessed by multiple clients. And P2P, that is peer-to-peer networks, by contrast, allow nodes to communicate and share resources directly. I'll tell you one more time. In client server model, resources are managed by centralized server accessed by multiple clients. In P2B, that is peer-to-peer networks, by contrast, allow nodes to communicate and share resources directly. Then the third type, that is the hybrid model, incorporates elements of both, offering greater flexibility in network design. Each type is suited to different needs based on the size and functions of the networks. The next one is OSI model layer. That is open system. OSI represents open system interconnection. This OSI model consists of 7 layers that define how data is transmitted over a network. These layers are physical data link, network, transport, session, presentation, and application layer. So each layer has a specific function, from managing physical connection to presenting data to the user. This layered approach simplifies troubleshooting, standardizes network protocols, and enhances compatibility between different systems. Next, the benefits of network architecture. Effective network architecture provides numerous advantages, including scalability, reliability, and security. A well-designed architecture ensures that network can expand without compromising performance. It also offers failover mechanisms and redundancy, reducing downtime and increasing reliability. Security protocols integrated into the architecture protect sensitive data from unauthorized access, ensuring secure communication across the network. So that's all about the introduction about network architecture. The network may be anything. So in conclusion, the network architecture, much like road networks, how it means it is a fundamental for efficient data transmission and system communication. Just as a well planned road network, it ensures smooth traffic flow and connectivity between cities. A well designed network architecture facilitates the data flow and connectivity between devices. Both systems rely on strategic organization to handle traffic efficiency, prevent congestion, and ensure reliability. Just as road networks, it requires pathways, signs, and traffic rules. Network architecture also depends on structured protocols, hardware, and software for optimal performances, scalability, and security in modern communication systems. Hope all you have enjoyed about this introduction about the network architecture. The remaining things we'll discuss in the next lecture. Thank you.